And we're back. So using those clues, you came up with an inference about the theme. Mine is wild creatures should be free. So this is something that could be applied to multiple texts about wild creatures. You probably read something with this theme before. The same themes often appear over and over. Common themes. 1. Persistence pays off. So persistence is when you don't give up, you keep trying. Honesty is better than cheating. It's more important to be nice than to be popular. Be careful what you wish for. Love is the most important force. So again, these are things that could be applied to multiple different stories. It's not specific to one or two stories. A theme is very general. So can you find the theme in this poem? A day to play got washed away. Rain comes down, covers town. Eyes are sad, rain is bad. Comes downstairs, get the chairs, blanket sheets, looking neat. Inside forts instead of sports. Rainy day tears can turn into cheers. Let's see here. How does the speaker feel at the beginning of the poem? And how does the speaker's feelings change? So I'm going to give you, let's say, 5 minutes to turn and talk with a buddy to answer these 2 questions and then to type your answers into the next slide.